Will Cadena here. I'm excited. We just got to this amazing location called Nazareth Hall, and we saw this amazing location behind me, and I wanted to take advantage of it. So we're here to focus on the details of the dress. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do in order to save time in post-production. So what I'm thinking is we probably might use maybe 1 or 2 lights and maybe 3, depending on the angle that I'm photographing in. So my approach is keeping the light indirectional in order to keep the detail. So usually I like to have my lighting either camera right or camera left, and always kind of shooting somewhat of downward. So depending on what the color of the dress, whether it's ivory or white, you still want to retain the detail. So some of the do's I do on location, it's a must, get a light meter reading, whether it's in the camera or you have a light meter, take advantage of that. And the other part is make sure your light is off camera. So some of the don'ts is don't overprocess your images in post. If you feel like you're getting it wrong on location, fix it right then and there, because it's gonna save you so much time in post-production. If you want to make money, do it in camera. So for you guys, what I did so you could visually see it is how I built the scene. I did a couple of shots. This is what I exactly did. I purposely shot available light so you could see how it looks on available light. I added a modifier, which was the switch box, OCTA-M. It'll be on my camera right. Then from the angle that I was shooting more into a dark area from the background. Without you adding an external light, that background would have been completely black. So I put another light inside the whole area, which they'll show you to light it up. So instead of using a regular flash, I added a gel onto the flash. And the reason why I did that is just to make it a little bit more warmer. Because if it's a white or blue color in that way, it's gonna take attention away from the subject matter. Another part was I wanted to add a hair light to it to kind of make it feel like more of a natural light coming down, like the sun. So as you can see, which I'm sure they'll show you, is nice and high coming down on her. Here's like another tip. Once you have your lighting set up, that's it. I purposely start walking around the scene in order to get more detailed shots. And because of that, for example, you ever get to a location that your client is late or you're working with an event planner that says, you know what, you have an hour, but next thing you know, you have 5 minutes. This is how I get those shots. So guys, at the end of the day, depending on your client, doesn't matter what part of the city or what part of the country, clients take the time to research on the dresses that they want to buy. Doesn't matter what the budget is, everyone has a different budget. So majority of my clients they spend a lot of money on the dresses, whether it's $1,500 or whether it's $30,000 dresses. So for me, it's really important to retain that detail. Ask your client, why did they pick that dress? Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment below because I want to hear some of your thoughts and tips.